Come back to the bloody vlog, boys. Holy hecker. I've missed you. Haven't recorded all day. This is the only customer for the bloody weekend. Yesterday we went to Jack's favourite band, the Jungle Giants. We'll insert some clips here. And we're essentially getting a early start on the Sunday booking, which is Jacob's Golf 7.5R. We've done a few things for this. I think we did lowering springs and a full Flow Designs lip kit. And I think that's all we did. Oh, Blaze Performance intake as well. But today we're doing a racing line catch can setup. We're also doing the dog bone upper and lower insert. And we've also got a rear sway bar that we're going to chuck in as well for him. But yeah, without further ado, let's quit jibber jabbering and bloody get into this and finish her off. Alrighty, well, catch can is bloody done. So PCV delete plate, oil catch can, and water jet or water washer reservoir. We took the front kit off. We are going to be replacing the Flow Designs kit. Front lip anyway with a Maxton kit. Sway bar's still there. Unfortunately we haven't done that one. And if we just jump under here, there we go. The dog bone lower, and not that you can see, but the upper obviously is in there as well. Nice and crispy. Bloody good. And the rest will be for tomorrow. So smash up the sway bar and we'll bolt on that front lip nice and easy. Get that done pronto. And then, boys, we are off to bloody QR again. Not a cancelled event this time. Bloody weather was bloody plain hectic with us. But we're out to QR with Ben from REFINISH Motorsports with his EVO. Fully new turbo, new diffs, new sequential gearbox, paddle shifters. Holy heck. He's testing in the morning and then we're going to be up there in the afternoon, have some footage for you, but cannot wait to get that thing on track and see this thing bloody spin its wheels, but crazy. I'm just so excited. I cannot hold the excitement in. But yeah, without further ado, we'll quit jibber jabbering and get some sleep. We'll get some dinner, get some sleep, and yeah, get this car finished off tomorrow. Alrighty, boys. Well, we're back with the 7.5R. We've done the rear sway bar, looking bloody schmick, all tightened up, ready to go. The aftermarket one, the aftermarket end links that he brought didn't fit for some reason, so the gap where the actual bolt sort of goes through, or like where it slots into, they just wouldn't fit. So yeah, not ideal, but we got the stock ones in there, so back in good gravy, whatever that means. But looking smick there, boys. And then just one more, which is onto the lip. Bloody good. Well, bloody good, boys. The kit or lip is not hard mounted yet. We've got two more bolts. Missing a long one, but should have some in that spare container. But looking pretty good. Lines up real schmick. This is essentially how they support or hard support their lip. So yeah, mounts to that. Essentially gives it a bit of stability and holds it up off the bottom of the lip. So yeah, really nice. Shout out to Maxton. Not bad. Alrighty, boys, and she's back on. Not bad. Nice and quick. Front lip bloody done. Shout out to Maxton. Holy heck. Time to let her down, get her out, and get our bums to bloody QR. Sheesh! The star of the show, boys. Here he is. Yeah. The star of the show, boys. Here he is. Well, here's the star of the show there, lads. Holy heck. Homemade, custom-made front lip kit and signed canards. Holy heck. Full sequential gearbox from Quaife. Air-assisted paddle shifts. Motec dash running a Link ECU standalone. Holy heck. A real race car, boys. A real race car. Shout out to Refinish Motorsport. This is pretty much our race car sponsor. He's got his own race car as well. Oh no, boys. He's on fire. Oh no. We might have another customer, boys. But yeah, rocker cover gasket failure. Just a cheapy PCV essentially, or catch can PCV delete. It just blew the rocker cover, so not good, boys, not good. Not a turbo after all. A little Mark 6 GDI here as well. Not bad, eh? Not bad. I think this is my old customer's car. Possibly might be. Can't remember his name, but this possibly, I think, is my customer's old car. There's an EVO here as well. Almost the same as Benny's. And the LS swapped S15 Sylvia. Holy heck. It's got an intercooler sprayer on there as well. Pretty fancy. Full roll cage. Oh, he's got a Bellworks quick release steering wheel. And a likewise shifter. Shout out. Oh, and a Rod Stewart Jr. Shout out for the support. Not too bad at all. Holy heck. HREs, boys. Holy. Yellow on white. Bloody snick. I don't know who's real Geordie. Real Shady. Oh, Shady. Shady maybe. I don't know. Not bad. And they got the old turboed boxer running the RPF ones. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Just a small boy turbo. Not too bad. It'll do the job. Here goes the Mark 5 Supra. On a flyer. Here goes the LS S15. On a flyer. And here's a little turboed 86. Maybe on a flyer. So there, boys, he's off. Neutral. Here he comes, boys. Sounds like it's downshifting now. Oh. Well, we're up to the last session now. Holy heck, it's bloody hot. We just measured the track before, 64 degrees. Holy heck. Crazy, crazy temperatures out there. But yeah, about to do the last sprint. We've got the GoPro facing the driver this time, so hopefully you guys get some good views. Hopefully the rest of the GoPro footage turns out alright. Put one on the back, but it just slanted down straight away, so not ideal, boys, not ideal. And as you can tell, I am getting a bit sick, so the old voice is getting a bit husky. Got a spider web on the camera there. But looking good, boys, we're looking good. I got Daniel's car as well, little Lexus. Full stripped out as well, not bad. Shout out to REFINISH Motorsports for the old painted wheels. Sheesh. Altigas, I think. Altigas. Not bad. Sheesh. Full strippy, boys. Holy heck. No glove box for goodies. That's cool, eh? Holy. Sheesh. Last session of the day, boys. Bloody good, boys. Well, dropping the customer's car off at his house. She survived the trip all the way down to down the coast, Mudgery Bar somewhere. But the lip survived, so bloody good. Shout out to Maxton. Looking bloody good, boys. Looking bloody good. And we've got the master flicker. It's come along for the ride.
You sure you want to put that in the vlog?
Yeah, mate.
I got bad B, like twerking, she won't stop till the back is hurting. I got 8 balls and I'm serving, money take calls and I'm working. I got bad B, like twerking, she won't stop till the back is hurting. Yeah, this is a fucked up time. All of the youngers are out on crud, they've lost their